Okay, so this is my Mercruiser 350 and V8, and I'm about to lower it down and onto that pallet right there with the little janky stands on it for the motor mounts, and then the back plate there. So I can do a little run on the floor to make sure I don't have any leaks or anything like that. So I got my captain's calls kind of just slapped on there really quick. They're not even sitting the right way, but just good enough to keep the water off of the engine. And I have a garden hose hooked up right there. That's the fitting that goes through the gimbal housing. So then I'll hook it to water, obviously. I got my positive battery, and then I gotta get my negative battery on yet. But yeah, we're getting close to starting this baby up and checking things out. Okay, so I skipped ahead quite a bit in the footage, but there is, the engine is in. That's all stuff I already did in previous videos, sadly enough, for my sake. So I'm gonna go take it out on the water and see if it floats first and see if it goes second. So we'll see. Okay, well, we just got on the water and everything looks okay except for that watering tachometer. No humongous leaks, no obvious issues at this point, so we'll see how it does.